Okay, so let's get right into it. You hear a lot of chatter about platforms like Silencio, right? Well, today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to build a super clear, no-nonsense understanding of how the system actually works, based 100% on its own official rules. No hype, no guessing, just the facts.
And this is the big question, isn't it? It's what everybody wants to know. You're out there, you're contributing to the network, but what's the actual path from doing that to maybe seeing some kind of reward? Well, that's the exact journey we are going to map out right now, step by step.
And we've got a really clear plan to get there. First, we'll look at the basics of the system. Then, we'll figure out what these in-app coins really are. After that, we'll talk about the actual crypto token, the SLC token. We'll also clear up how any cash payouts might work. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with the most important rules you absolutely need to remember.
All right, part one. You know, before we can make sense of anything else, we have to start right here. This is the foundation of the whole thing, how your contribution gets turned into a calculation. So before we even whisper the word rewards, you've got to get this. At its absolute core, the Silencio platform is built to do one thing above all else: measure what you bring to the network. Everything, and I mean everything, starts with your contribution. That's the real unit of value here.
Okay, so if the system is all about measuring what you do, how does it keep score? That brings us perfectly to our next section, and the first big term we need to nail down: these in-app coins. And this right here is so important. The app calls them coins, but I want you to think of them as points. Seriously, just like points in a video game. They are simply an internal scorecard. Their one and only job is to count and keep track of how much you've participated. That's it.
And this slide just lays it out perfectly. On one hand, yes, they are a really important way to measure your effort. They're the tool used to figure out any potential future allocations. But, and this is a big but, what they are absolutely not is money. They are not an investment, and they for sure don't have some fixed cash value you can look up. Getting this difference is everything.
In fact, just to make sure there is absolutely zero confusion, the platform's own documents say this directly. So if you remember only one thing about coins, please let it be this sentence right here. It's the golden rule.
So, if coins are just internal points, where does the actual crypto part of this whole thing come in? Well, that leads us right into Section 3, the role of the SLC utility token. This is the piece that connects your in-app score to the world of crypto.
Let's just follow the flow here, because it's really a logical process. See, it all starts with you contributing data. For doing that, you earn those internal points we just talked about, the coins. Then, the amount of coins you have helps to inform a potential allocation of the actual crypto asset, the SLC token.
And here's the key mechanic. You don't spend your coins to buy SLC tokens. It's not a transaction like that. Instead, think of it this way. The number of coins you have is used to calculate how big your potential slice of the pie might be. It's a calculation, not a purchase.
Okay, let's get to the topic that I know is on a lot of your minds. We've talked points, we've talked tokens, but what about actual cash? Section 4 is all about explaining those USD or USDC payouts. Now listen closely, because the rules here are super specific. Any kind of cash-style reward is tied to a specific campaign. That means they are not an automatic thing that's always running. There's no guaranteed schedule, and they make it very clear that this is not a passive income feature. Payouts are only even a possibility if and when a campaign is officially announced and active.
So that brings us to the most practical question of all, right? Let's just cut to the chase. Can I look at my coin balance and know exactly how many dollars it's worth? Is there a set conversion rate? And the answer, straight from the platform's own rules, is a very clear and direct no. The big thing to understand here is that the entire system is set up to avoid making any promises of profit. There are no guaranteed conversion rates and no set timelines for these kinds of reward campaigns, period.
Whew, okay, we have covered a lot of ground, breaking down every piece of this system. So for this last section, let's just boil it all down into a few simple core rules. These are your key takeaways. Rule number 1, the most important one. The one that, if you get this, you get the whole system. Coins are not money. They are a score. They are points. That's it.
Rule number 2. Any potential payout, whether we're talking about the SLC token or a special USDC campaign, is not a given. They are based on specific events and campaigns, not something that just happens automatically on a schedule.
And that leads us right to rule number 3. It just makes sense, right?
The system makes zero promises about when any of these token allocations or payout campaigns might actually happen. The timing is completely up to the project's own roadmap. And finally, rule number 4, which really explains the why behind all the other rules. The whole point of being this strict is to be transparent about how the platform works, instead of making big speculative promises about you making a profit. It's all about managing expectations from day one.
You know, this final slide really gets to the core of what we talked about today. We've just walked through a very deliberate, rule-based system that seems to choose clarity over hype. So, I'll just leave you with this to think about. In a world that's so often filled with hype, how valuable is a clear set of rules?